Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Lightinthebox and how to connect it with Shopify to add products to your Shopify store. Now, when you are on your Shopify store, you can go ahead to apps right there and search for Importify, or you can just search for it right here on the App Store. So now I went ahead to importify.com, and basically they say how to import products from Lightinthebox. So first of all, you of course need to install the Importify app, which I already did. Then Importify costs somewhere around $15 per month. This is the plan, and this is what you will need actually to um, install it. Now, when you go ahead and do that, when you have subscribed to one of their plans, you will have to make sure to use one of their Chrome browsers and install the extension. So then you will go ahead here, product importer, and you will add it to your Chrome. And now, then you go ahead to the Light in the box page. You're gonna find the product you like, and you're gonna import it with Importify importer extension, basically. And that's how you will import it to your Shopify store. So you can also edit all the information you need, and it will appear to you on your Shopify products. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.